when I was young, I have some different birds. So one small parrot. See, my one was the official. So feed that parrot. So therefore, whenever that is a person is approached to that sort of parrot, the parrot always you see, showing some very excitement or something like that. Then that official you see, gives some nuts, and then while the parrot is eating, the official's finger, you see, on the head of the parrot, go like that. Then the parrot is showing special sort of friendly attitude. So I developed some jealousy. So I also want that kind of response from that parrot. So I'm Dalai Lama. So therefore, you see, the must show is the more sort of that friendly. So poor animal, you see, do not know that. So in any way, I try to develop that kind of friendship. So a few days I try to give some nuts. Then that parrot take the nuts, then showing very negative attitude. Then I lost my temper. I use some tin stick to disciplinary action. So after that, no hope made friendship.